Many women coming to a Back to the Body retreat kind of just confess that there's a lot of fear. And it's not my intention to tell them, oh, don't worry, don't be scared. My answer is basically like, you know what? It's actually healthy to feel fear. We are working here with very big and important themes, and to me, it's a sign of being in touch with reality to feel fear. Not fear that says I'm going to get hurt or I'm in danger, but like, what might I discover about myself it might change my life. And of course we would, that is scary stuff. I also like to say that it's inherent in the realm of sexuality. So I have this beautiful metaphor that I love to use, and that's the metaphor of the Greeks gave the responsibility of the erotic, of sexuality, to the great god of Eros. And the image of Eros is that one of the many images of Eros is that he's a male image with these large wings, and that his job, if you're willing to accept his invitation, is to kind of scoop down and kind of pick you up in those large wings, take you to places where you can see things only from that perspective. And yes, that is going to be scary, to see things new, to see things out of the box, to see things from an elevated, inspired, aroused perspective. Of course it's going to be scary. Of course it's going to be thrilling. And of course it's going to offer so much.